Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have AMP update. Let's see guys, where are we going after predicting exactly what we will do. I am so grateful for that. You can check the previous video from yesterday. We told that we might stop at 0.618 or this support line, then eventually we will have a swing high, and here we are guys, stopping at this resistance level a little bit beyond the 9 cents. And what are we going to do from now on? We will discuss all the possible scenarios right here. If you like the content, help me with clicking the like button and subscribe. Also share the video if you can. Join our monthly subscription guys. You can take easy profits, and of course you can take personal guidance and many more benefits. Link is in the description down below. Also the link for the Telegram group chat is in the description down below as well. Let's go now to the resistance levels guys and the support levels. You can see now that we have very strong support levels. This one right here, because this blue line guys, the 0.076, you can see that before it was our previous high. You can see that, and that's why it was such a strong support line. And I told you guys yesterday that we are probably going to go like this around this area and then have a swing high towards 9 or 10 cents. Now what is the future for AMP? Let's see, we got the 0.095, 0.10 10 cents guys, around there. But if I want more of a short-term resistance levels, what I would do guys is I would draw the Fibonacci retracement starting from the top to the bottom. And the reason is here, I want to do that to find major resistance levels. And here it is, one at around 9 cents, to 2 guys 0.5, and of course 3, right? These are our resistance levels for the short term. So for now we are going to see if we can potentially go upwards guys, go to these price targets. Let's see now the MACD. The MACD guys, we are seeing probably a bullish recross with the signal line and the blue line. The blue line needs to go above the signal line for the MACD, and when we are seeing this, it is usually good. However, what I would love to see for AMP is to hold this support level, the previous low you can see here, because guys it was very crucial. Now it is all right that we might see a bullish recross, but it is very difficult to achieve again the 12 cents. It is very difficult because some technical analysis got destroyed after this correction we had for AMP. Let's go now to see some important things. First of all guys, the commodity channel index. Can we have an oversold situation right here? The answer is no, we don't have an oversold situation. However, we had an oversold situation. That's why here it was a perfect buying opportunity, right? And now you can see the commodity channel index, we are going upwards. Eventually for the RSI we stopped here because the commodity channel index was in our lowest, was below -100. We were already in an oversold situation. That's why guys, I'm always telling you to just search first of all for the commodity channel index, check this indicator first, and afterwards the RSI, because the RSI might not give you the proper answer to where the bottom is, but the commodity channel index can. So right now guys, according to the RSI, we have more room to grow and more room to correct. Either way guys, is very possible. We will see about that though. Let's see the SSL channel. Now we have the green line above the red line. We have a buying opportunity, right? So let's go now to the daily frame, and on the daily frame guys, you can see that we don't have a buying opportunity according to the SSL hybrid yet. We only have this red arrow right here. We need to short, we need to just sell here. We should buy here and sell here. Very accurate guys. You could take very high profits here, but of course SSL hybrid is accurate. In general guys, it is a good indicator, but sometimes it is not. I have given you many examples on my videos. And right now we don't have another blue arrow to buy. we don't have a buying opportunity for now according to the SSL hybrid. Let's go to the Bollinger Bands a little bit, guys, and close the SSL hybrid to see that we now are going back in the top line of the Bollinger Bands. And when we are going to the top line of the Bollinger Bands, we usually have a selling opportunity in a normal market, that is, because on an impulsive wave, you can see we overextend the top line of the Bollinger Bands, therefore we are going higher and higher, right? So we have the risk, but we don't care because we are on an impulsive wave. Let's see the RSI, the commodity channel index. You can see here we are approaching an overbought situation, guys. On the daily commodity channel index, we are about to go higher than the 100, and for the RSI, we are close to 70, but not so close. We are 64 because the default settings, guys, for the RSI is the bottom line is the 30 and the top line limit is the 70, right? So we want to see now if we can go again into an overbought situation, because there is a very high possibility that we might see a head and shoulders pattern for the RSI and eventually go down as well, right? So let's go now, guys. We saw that, okay, last one, the MACD. The MACD, guys, is looking good because if we don't have a bearish recross, we can't say that we are on a bearish situation. The MACD, guys, on the daily frame, it is looking pretty solid, right? And let's go now to AMP Bitcoin chart. You can see that we just had the support, the 0.618 support level, our previous high right here. So we stopped there and eventually we had a swing high just as we predicted yesterday, guys. Before we go down to this bottom right here, we were in an oversold situation. The RSI was not in an oversold situation, but doesn't matter as long the commodity channel index was. You can see now that we had a bullish recross between the blue line and the signal line, the orange line, for the MACD. Let's go now to the daily frame. On the daily frame, we stand pretty good, guys. We just want to let the EMAs reach the price, the 20-day EMA reach the price. Now we are in an overbought situation for now, so you should be careful. Same here, guys, for the RSI. We are not in an overbought situation, however, we are close into getting above this purple area right here. We are about to get above the 70 for the RSI as well. So on the daily frame, we should be careful a bit. On the 4-hour frame, it might look like we can go even a little bit higher, but after all, guys, I don't think that it is very easy to achieve our previous top right here. So let's go now to the price analysis, guys. And the reason I am having all of this is to show you that now we have these levels as resistance levels. The 0.098, around 10 cents, guys, 0.104 you can see here, and the 9 cents as a resistance level. Personally, we found right now here, guys, we found the first resistance level, and personally what I was about to say is that I think we might have another swing high momentum, but it is very difficult to attain, to achieve the 12 cents yet. Right now we have to be a little bit more careful because we had one major correction here and we lost some important support levels, right? But we eventually want to see if we can have another swing high before going down. You know, guys, my opinion, if we don't go above the 0.786, we can't be sure that we will be achieving our next price target, guys. Maybe the 13 cents, which we had a target but we did not achieve. We achieved the 11 cents, we went to 12 cents, and then we had the correction going on, right? So now you should be careful, although we might have a swing high. Yesterday what we told is that we will just stop here and have a swing high. Therefore we did have, I hope you followed, guys, this advice and you took some profits. Right now what are we seeing is a bullish recross probably on the MACD. We are not standing in an overbought or any oversold situation for the RSI, so we can't have a clear buying opportunity or a clear selling opportunity. And the Bitcoin chart, guys, doesn't play such a significant role here because you can see that AMP outperforms Bitcoin. Therefore, we don't care for now what Bitcoin will do. We are not so dependent from the Bitcoin, and you can see that the Bitcoin needs to hold these support levels here. If we go down from these support levels, then we will eventually crash all the way down, guys, to further down support levels, further consolidation here, and I believe we will lose, especially this one right here, guys, the 30,800 Tether USD support level. Then we might actually fall down even more, but for now we are good. We are still have the chance, guys, we still have the chance of going upwards, of having the shrink high. Therefore, guys, I don't think that we should check the Bitcoin for now for AMP. I believe that we can have another little swing high, but we have to be careful for now, because right now, guys, what I told you is, even if we have a swing high, it is up to you if you want to just swing trade, and of course set your limit order here around this area right here. But for now, of course, we should be careful. After all, we just hit the 12 cents and then we corrected a little bit, and I believe, guys, that we might have another swing high. However, we should be careful. Our next price targets are these price labels right here, guys. These are our next price targets for the short term. I believe we might can go there, but for me, guys, after this major correction, if you already got your profits for AMP, it is better to go to jump into another coin. However, it is your decision to make. I'm just analyzing that we might see a swing high to the 10 cents around there, guys, the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and afterwards we will see what we will do. For now, just wait. In my opinion, we are about to make our 20-day MA though as a support level, so that's why I believe, guys, after this bullish candle right here, that's why I believe we might see the 10 cents and around this area, guys, these resistance levels right here. I believe that we might see the swing high. However, it is your choice to make. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.